Hello. Today we have some pairs of sets, and we need to find which pairs are equivalent. Let's learn what equivalent means first. Two sets are called equivalent when they have the same number of things inside them. The things inside can be totally different. We just count how many things are in each set. Let's count set A. We have A, B, C, D. That is 4 things. Now let's count set B. We have 2, 4, 6. That is 3 things. 4 is not the same as 3. Since set A has 4 things and set B has only 3 things, they are not equivalent. The count does not match. Now let's count set C. We have 1, 3, 5, 7. That is 4 things. And set D has 0, 1, 2, 3. That is also 4 things. Oh, they match. Both sets have 4 things inside. The things are different, but the count is the same. So C and D are equivalent. Great. Set E is all the vowel letters. Those are A, E, I, O, U. That is 5 things. Set F has L, M, N, O, P. That is also 5 things. Both sets have 5 things. The letters are all different, but the count is the same. So E and F are also equivalent. Wonderful. Set G has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 things. Set H has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be careful, that is 6 things because of the extra 0. 5 is not the same as 6. Set G has 5 things and set H has 6 things. The counts don't match, so they are not equivalent. Always count carefully. We found our answer. Pair 2, which is C and D, and pair 3, which is E and F, are the equivalent sets. They each have the same number of things inside. You did an amazing job. Just remember, equivalent means same count.